If you're feeling stuck right now, like you've got these big goals, but no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get started, then stop scrolling and listen closely. Because this video might be the reset button your brain's been begging for. Hey, I'm not here to sell you a magic trick, but what I'm about to share changed my life. It helped me go from scattered, burnt out, overstimulated to laser-focused, disciplined, and actually enjoying the hard stuff. And it starts with one powerful habit, the dopamine detox. Not the trendy, half-baked version you've seen on TikTok, but the real one, the lie you believe. See, most people think their problem is lack of motivation, or maybe they just need to learn more. Wrong. You don't need more knowledge. You don't need more energy. What you need is focus. Because when your brain is constantly overstimulated from scrolling, from noise, from nonstop notifications, you're training your mind to crave distraction. And when distraction becomes your default state, even sitting down to work feels painful. That's why you can't focus, not because you're lazy. Your dopamine is fried. Part 2, the dopamine detox. So what's the solution? You need to hit reset. You need a dopamine detox. Not forever, just 7 days. 7 days to lower the noise, clear the fog, and build your brain's ability to focus again. I've done this for years. I've coached others through it. And if you stick with it just for a week, it will blow your mind how much better you feel. Let me give you the 4 rules that make this work. Part 3, the 4 rules pillars. 1. Limit screen time to 1 hour/day on your phone. Your iPhone has a screen time widget. Use it. 1 hour max. That's it. If you need WhatsApp for work, use the desktop version. This is about intention, not restriction. 2. No YouTube. Not even self-help. Yeah, I know. You're watching this on YouTube. Irony. But after this, log off. Self-help content can become productive procrastination. You feel like you're improving, but you're still consuming, not creating. So no YouTube for 7 days. Delete the app. Block the site if you have to. 3. No adult content. Period. I'm not here to shame you, but that stuff absolutely fries your dopamine receptors. You don't need a PhD to understand that you're rewiring your brain for short-term gratification. If you absolutely must, use your imagination, but no videos, no photos, no Instagram baddies. Detox means detox. 4. Meditate 10 minutes a day. Just 10 minutes, that's all. You'll hate it at first. You'll get itchy, bored, fidgety. But by day 7, I promise, something clicks. Your brain calms, your thoughts slow down, and suddenly silence isn't scary anymore. Part 4, what happens after 7 days. Here's what's crazy. By day 7, even simple things start to feel enjoyable again. Taking a walk, reading a book, working on your goals. Why? Because you're no longer overstimulated. You've reset your baseline. This is what focus feels like. And once you feel it, you're not going to want to go back. Part 5, integrate it monk mode. So the next question is, what comes after the detox? That's where monk mode comes in. Think of it as a focused lifestyle you live for 21 days. Less intense than the detox, but way more sustainable. Work, workout, read, reflect. Minimal distractions, maximum focus. If you do the 7-day detox and then roll into 21 days of monk mode, I'm telling you, whatever your goals are this year, you'll crush them. So here's the deal. If you've done a dopamine detox or monk mode before, drop your story in the comments. Let others know what changed for you. And if you haven't tried it yet, this is your sign. 7 days, 4 rules. That's all it takes. Reboot your brain, rebuild your focus, and reclaim your life.